In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently manage your team members and keep your workspace up to date. This is especially helpful if someone has left the company, moved to a different department, or simply no longer needs access to a specific team. First, open your browser and go to your Monday.com account. Then head to the Teams section. You can usually find this by looking at the left-hand side menu or the main navigation bar, depending on how your workspace is laid out. Make sure you're logged into an account that has the right permissions to manage teams, such as an admin or team owner. If you don't have those permissions, you won't be able to remove people. Once you're in your Monday workspace, click on the option labeled Teams. This will open a page that lists all of the teams that exist in your account. Think of this page as your central hub for team management. Take a moment to scan through the list so you can find the exact team you want to edit. Next, locate the team you want to adjust. In this example, we'll select a team called Team 1. But in your account, it might be a department name, a project name, or any custom team you've created. Click on that team to open its details. This will bring up a view that shows you who's in the team and sometimes additional settings related to that team. Inside the team view, look for the person you want to remove. There will usually be a list of team members with options next to each name. Move your cursor over the area that's highlighted for that specific person. This highlight is typically an icon, a small menu button, or an action area that appears when you hover your mouse over their name. Click on that highlighted area to open the actions available for that member. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Remove from Team. When you click this, Monday.com may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this person. Confirm the action, and that user will be removed from the team. They'll no longer show up as part of that team's member list, and they won't receive updates specific to that team. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from a team in Monday.com.